Hello everyone, welcome to Coin Engineer. In the first video of our NFT playlist, we talked about what is an NFT. And in this video, we will learn what is a whitelist and how we can get a whitelist. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos. And now, let's just jump into our video. What is a whitelist? Now let's first learn its professional description on Binance. NFT whitelisting is the process of getting a crypto wallet address pre-approved for minting. Besides minting priority, users of whitelisted addresses may enjoy other benefits like reduced transaction fees and exclusive content depending on the project. And I'll give you a real-life example for you to understand this. When you go to a club and you see these bulky bodyguards with a guest list in their hands, right? And if your name is on that list, you go in and start partying and having fun. But if your name is not on that list, you freeze to death outside and wait for the people that are on the list to enter the club first. Now in this example, people who have their names on the list are whitelisted users. The ones who are freezing to death outside are the ones waiting for public sale to be opened. And we will talk about public sale in our upcoming videos. And I'm sure you get the idea. When you have a whitelist, you mint a project with a significantly lesser price. So right now, you're probably asking how you can get a whitelist. Well, for that, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the notifications on, because we have amazing upcoming tutorial videos with real-life examples to teach you how you can make big bucks with NFTs. In this video, we just shortly explain what is a whitelist, but in our upcoming videos, we will go into full details to how to get whitelists for the best projects and how to make amazing profits with real-life examples. And at the end of this playlist, as I said, you will know how to make big bucks with NFTs. And also check out our Instagram because we share breaking news, motivational quotes, and funny crypto memes and everything there's to know about NFT and business world in general. So definitely check out our Instagram and our other social media accounts. You can find all of them from the links in the description box below, and they will also be pinned in the comments section. And with that said, I'll see you guys in our next videos.